Hey guys, just want to get back to you. I want to select a winner for the Pro for Show noise cancellation, hearing protection earmuffs. And let's go over here and select the video link. Go to YouTube Randomizer, paste it, hit search. 2 commenters. Start raffle and pick random winner. Hit start. And the winner is Desert Bum Woodworking. I guess you won again, sir. So leave me your name, address, and I'll contact the people that are giving this away and they'll send it to you directly. Thanks again for watching and thank you for commenting.